Okay, now I would like to show some termux things what I am planning to do. I have installed termux. After that I have installed qxctl. Actually I wanted to create my own cloud on my own mobile actually. So I asked myself why if I can create a web server on my desktop using static IP, why not I can create some server on mobile. Okay, so I have installed qxctl using pkg of termux pkg. Then qxctl ai I wanted to install, but it was not there, though it is mentioned by some this you can see that qxctl ai actually how to install qxctl kubernetes cli for android. I wanted to create my local environment. So where is that? Create in a DeepSeek actually, but we prepare for a more involved setup. Quebec term actually, Quebec term. There, this is their leverage qxctl options. It's not Android app itself, but if qxctl is except for example termux, you could potentially integrate something like this for more integrated commerce, but I am not finding it actually. So k9s, let's see if I can run k9s. I have installed ollama. Okay, pkg install k9s. So I have tried with this ollama and I wanted to run some things actually. I wanted to show. Let's it finish actually. If it is, I don't have much space in my mobile. If it is taking a lot of space, I need to like uninstall them. Okay, what are the things available inside? Okay, so this is the thing. Cluster authenticate info. Whenever I will be clicking this, no resources found in contact namespaces. Okay, so I need to uninstall it. These are the things. Oh, this is actually creating StarMax. Exit. Let's see. Okay, then I am going to this page. Okay. Okay, if pkg uninstall. Okay, there is some. Okay, let me take the call. Hello, hello. Yes. Yes. Yeah. What is your charge? What is your charge for OPC company? Yeah. I don't have GSTN. I don't have GSTN. I need to register for GST. Oh yeah, register the farm and get the GST number also. Okay, thank you. My budget is 2000. It's, no, I have all the pitch ready. I am talking with Indian Ministry of Commerce, and also I have Ministry of Company Affairs also, MCA. So I am looking for that option actually. And that does not require any money. Okay. Okay. Okay, so you came to know that what are the things. Okay. Package I want to uninstall. Mm-hmm. Uh, Removing, yes. Removing penalties. Okay, removed. Okay, I did not need this one. So can I go for cubic term? Okay, before that I would like to show you like what I have done. I did some these things. I changed. I used to try. I tried to use UV, but it is not. So it is saying Python is not installed and pkg install UV. When I can install UV, and by UV I can install Python also. Okay, UV pip install kubectl system. Okay, UV I have. Okay, UV pip install kubectl. Okay, dash system. No, okay, for no Python. Okay, UV install first this, then pkg install pkg install. Oh, I see. This means it's only system. Okay, so what I have done, I have showed you till now. So let's see. I tried to run Ollama. Ollama is running, but Ollama serve is not running. This Ollama serve on Android, it is getting just blocked after this. It is creating some public key also. uh, do I need to add public key? Because ollama serve is not executing properly. It is actually I need to put the control C every time. You can see control C I have put. So that's all as of now. Thank you. Bye. Please like, subscribe, follow. Please follow, like, subscribe.